Hi guys, once you've logged into your MGBA, scroll down and find Service Provider Profile. Patiently await. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down, almost all the way down, and click here to add more business contact. Click here to add business contacts. And click on the search to find your contract ID and select. If you have multiple contract IDs, make sure you are selecting the correct one for the BC that you are trying to add. Select the correct station ID. Across the country, most stations have two station IDs, one that starts with 03994 and the other one is 0094. They're the same, but you have to add both. So if you don't add both, there's apparently some sort of complication. So just make sure you come back. So the first time you add 0094, save it, and I come back 2 seconds later and add 0394. Choose the business contact ID. That is the person you want to provide at ABC. Provide their phone number and email address. One thing as MyCA says we do is we provide a group email address so that we always are aware of all communications between FedEx and my management team. If you are a subscriber to Rattly.com, we do provide you a shared email address with all the flexibilities. If you're not, you can easily create one on gmail.com or outlook.com or on Office 365. But it is very important for you to always be aware of the type of communications that your BC and FedEx are having, just in case there are issues that are not arising to your attention. Once you've added the person, click on OK. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and this is where a lot of people get in trouble. They forget to click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, you're done. Congratulations.